Hi, I'm Carrie Lawless, and today I have a charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath, new construction waterfront home to show you in Bay St. Louis. Look at this deck I'm standing on. It is so expansive, and would you look at the view behind me? This is so much more than just a home. This is a lifestyle. Let's go on in and take a look. There's so much to love about this modern floor plan. So first of all, it is wide open in the main living area. There's this huge living area, so much room for seating and entertaining. There's the beautiful step ceiling detail with crown molding. And then we step on into the dining area. You can fit a huge table here. Again, great for entertaining. And then of course, we've got the waterfront view right outside this full glass door and all the windows letting all that natural light in. Then we step into the kitchen. We have the white shaker cabinetry, the beautiful cove molding. We have the quartz countertop detail. We also have a breakfast bar here for even more seating, and then stainless appliances, and then a great pantry. What is not to love about this beautiful space? All right, still lots more to see. As we head down the hall, the first room that we come to is the laundry room. This has a really nice amount of space here, plenty of room for a full-size washer and dryer, and then there's even this bonus area over here, which is great for additional storage. Now, as we head down the hall, we come to the first of the 3 bedrooms, and as you can see, lots of natural light flooding in. There's hard surface flooring throughout this entire home, and so all the main living areas as well as the bedrooms have vinyl plank neutral colored flooring. What a great plus. All right, let's go see that shared bath. I really do love the finishes that were chosen for this space. It's so light, bright, and airy. Again, we've got the white shaker cabinetry, the beautiful quartz countertops. I really like the detail in the mirror, and the light fixture is very charming. Now we step on into the second part of this bathroom, and we've got this tub shower combination that's got all the built-in shelving. Very, very practical. Now, as we move back down the hall, we come to the second of the 3 bedrooms. This room really has a lot of space in it, and one of the things I love about all these bedrooms are the ceiling fans. They're so modern. All right, let's take a look at the primary suite. This suite is such a great space. So the bedroom has lots of room in here. Very easily fit a king-size bed and more, and there's even that step ceiling detail with the crown molding. Really elevates this space. Now we're stepping into the ensuite bath. This space is absolutely beautiful. We continue with the white shaker cabinetry, quartz countertops, the beautiful detail of the mirrors and the light fixtures, and then we've got this gorgeous stand-up shower behind me, tiled all the way to the ceiling. Beautiful finishes. There's still more to see. Let's take a look outside. One of the things I love so much about this house is this concrete covered area. Look at it, it's absolutely huge. So this is great for parking. It's great for additional entertaining area. Then we've got this huge storage room behind me, which also has endless possibilities to extend your outdoor entertaining. And then we come to the back of the home. So we've got the entertaining area upstairs overlooking the water, and then we've got a second area here. The view is absolutely beautiful. There are so many options here. Again, this is not just a house, it's a lifestyle. My name is Carrie Lawless. Make your appointment today.